Well, happy 4th of July, everybody. I'm finally able to get back to you guys with another upload once again. And as you can see right now, I am currently cutting our 2017 wheat crop. Right now it's running about 100 bushels plus in spots. I talked to Dad yesterday, and I was up at a family reunion, and he got the combine up here and said that he wanted to try it. He got the field opened up, and he got about 20 acres ran last night. And he said that everything ran fine, and that he was hitting spots where the wheat was hitting 130 plus bushels. So we're only going about 3 miles an hour right now. Moisture's about 14%. So yeah, just plugging away right now, getting the wheat cut. We got a couple guys that are interested in about 1,500 bales of straw, so we got the straw going on the ground right now. We ain't chopping it up. So yeah, 2017 wheat harvest is underway, guys, and I was fortunate enough to get a nice long weekend off. I was afraid I wasn't going to be here this year for the wheat harvest, but I was fortunate enough to have Monday and today off, so now I get to cut wheat. So I was at the family reunion for a couple days, and now I'm back here at my grandpa's farm getting the wheat off. So go ahead and get this day started. front's a little heavy, so I figured I'd make the rear end just a little bit lighter. Of course, I thought I was going to fill it up better than that, but I guess not. Alright, back to cutting. Well, I hope everybody's having a good 4th of July weekend. Had a family reunion out in Eden, Ohio. It's about a 45-minute drive west of where I live. We got family out there, live out there. They got a great big piece of property. It's about a 10 or 12 acre piece of property. Got a house, got a pond, big yard, and everybody comes down there and we hang out in the garage. We have plenty to eat, plenty to drink, lots of card playing going on, lots of swimming. We have a pretty good time seeing everybody down there. Went down there Friday and came back yesterday night and came home and seen that the combine, the grain head, and the trucks were missing, so I knew that Dad was up at my grandpa's. Well, I should say it was up here cutting wheat. And Mom said he'd started around 4:30, and he only got about 20 acres cut yesterday, so he cut just enough to get both of the trucks full because the elevator closed early, and so he filled up the semis and he came home last night and he said the wheat was averaging really good and that it was dry. He said we could start today about lunchtime, so that was about the time we started. So far everything's running good. I haven't had any issues with the grain head or the combine itself. It's been cutting the wheat real good and cleaning up really good. Look back here in the hopper. Yeah, that window has to be cleaned out. Definitely. That is one dirty window. We were, like I said before, we were chopping the straw up and spreading it out, but we got a phone call from a friend of ours that raised livestock and said it'll take 1,500 bales, so we lifted the chopper, took the belt off, took that out of position, and now we got the straw and windrows. Keep on at it and see how the day keeps on going. Well guys, we're about finished with this field right here. Got this little section back here to go. Wheat's still averaging about 13%. It's a little wet in some spots, but yeah, anyways, we're about finished with this field. Then we got this one across the ditch, and then there's a little 5-acre piece that I got behind my grandpa's barn to do. That won't take very long, and then we'll go across the ditch over here and start cutting that. It's gonna be close getting done today. We might have to cut the rest tomorrow. Not too sure. I gotta work tomorrow morning, so I won't be here to finish. But it'll be close. We may or may not finish up tonight. I have no idea, because the elevator closes at 6 o'clock and it's 3 o'clock right now. So it's gonna be close. Just have to kind of see how things go and if we can get the wheat off fast enough. So I guess time will only tell. Alright guys, so quick update while I'm here unloading. I got the first field that I was in. First field is finished. Got that little 5-acre piece behind my grandpa's barn that was an old pasture is cut. Now I'm on the other side of the ditch opening up the field. Just did my first pass and gave me a damn near a full hopper, so I had to swing up here and dump. So yeah, get this wheat on here real quick and we'll be going back to cutting here in just a little bit. Try not to get her too full since we're going to town. Seeing as how wheat's a really heavy grain, we try to keep it pretty light. Alright guys, so I got the field opened up. Got all the headlands taken off. Running with the ditch. This field's a touch drier, running about the same as the other ones. So far, so good. Still doing her with one hand, filming. That's all right. No big deal. Well, I know my channel has grown since the 2016 wheat harvest. And if you guys haven't seen those videos, go check them out. There's a part 1 and there's a part 2. But seeing as how my channel has grown and I have new subscribers, those of you that don't know what kind of equipment that we run a 30-foot grain head, auger style. Doesn't have a draper, unfortunately. And the combine is a 9750 STS. And we also have the Greenstar monitor running here, showing us our instant dry bushels, our average dry, and our moisture. It shows us how many bushels total that I've cut so far and how many acres I've covered. So far, we've really liked Deere's equipment, running it. Also got the auto steer. So that's the equipment that we run. Well guys, this about wraps up the video. Unlike last year, there's probably not going to be a part 2. At this point, not really too sure if we're going to finish up tonight. I got 15 acres done, almost 16 acres. There's still quite a bit to do here, so I'm not really too sure what's gonna go on tonight until I speak with my dad. So, I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your feedback down in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe. And I hope all's going well with all your guys' wheat harvest. For those of you that do have wheat, hope all's going well and hope you're getting her done. Of course, a lot of you guys are already done. So, if there's anybody still cutting wheat, we wish you the best and hope all goes well. As for the rest of you, thanks again for watching, and we will see you on the next one.